When you search for the best two-slice toaster, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster Seedless. The Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster in Seedless is a real eye-catcher. Priced at just $24.98, it's part of the Fits Anywhere collection. If you want a stylish toaster that doesn't hog your counter space, this is worth a serious look. This toaster's slim design means it fits easily on any countertop, which is perfect if you're dealing with space issues in your kitchen. The extra-wide 10-inch long slot is a game-changer for toasting artisan breads or bagels. With 6 shade settings, you can customize your toast just how you like it, whether that's lightly golden or dark and crispy. Plus, the removable crumb tray makes cleanup a breeze, keeping your kitchen tidy. Now, some people complained about the toaster's 900-watt power being a bit lower than some competitors. Here's the thing though, if you're not a heavy toaster user, this isn't really a deal-breaker. It still delivers consistent results. This is perfect for you if you have a small kitchen and love creative bread options. Skip this one if you're a heavy toast eater who needs faster results. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the Bella's lower wattage bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster Plum. Next up is the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster in Plum, another stylish addition from the same brand, also priced at $24.98. If you want a reliable toaster that doubles as a decor piece, this is worth considering. Just like its Seedless sibling, this toaster features a sleek design that doesn't overwhelm your countertop. Its 10-inch long slot can handle a variety of breads, making breakfast effortless. The 6 shade settings let you find your perfect toasting preference, no more guesswork. Plus, with the high lift lever, you can easily grab those smaller slices without burning your fingers. However, a few users pointed out that the color can fade over time. Here's the thing though, if you're more about functionality than looks, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It still performs well and looks good doing it. This is perfect for you if you appreciate style and ease in your kitchen. Skip this if you want something more industrial and heavy-duty. At this price point, it's a steal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more retro vibes. Product number 3, Keystone Retro Toaster. Now we have the Keystone Retro Toaster priced at $37.79. What really caught my eye is its unique design and functionality. If you're looking for a toaster that combines style with performance, this is definitely worth a look. This toaster's retro look is charming, but it's not just about aesthetics. It has a wide 1.5-inch slot that can accommodate thick slices of bread, bagels, or whatever you fancy. With 6 browning levels, everyone in the family can have their toast just the way they like it. The functions like bagel, defrost, and cancel are super user-friendly, making it a breeze to operate. Some reviews mention that it takes a bit longer to toast compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you're not in a rush and want delicious toast, the taste is worth a little extra time. This is perfect for you if you love a classic look in your kitchen with modern conveniences. Skip this if you need something that toasts quickly. For the quality and style, it's a good buy. Now, if you're looking for something with even more shade settings, the next toaster might be just what you need. Product number 4, GE 2-Slice Stainless Steel Toaster. Up next is the GE 2-Slice Stainless Steel Toaster, retailing at $49. This one stands out with its sleek stainless steel finish. If you want something that looks professional and performs well, consider this option. With 7 adjustable shade settings, you can get just the right level of toastiness, catering to everyone's preferences. The extra-wide slots make it easy to toast bagels and thick slices of bread. It also features even toasting, which means no more unevenly browned slices, a big win for those who take their breakfast seriously. One downside is that it's a bit pricier than others on this list. But honestly, if you value durability and consistent performance, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you love hosting breakfast for friends and want something reliable. Skip this if you're looking for something budget-friendly. It's a solid choice for those who want a high-quality toaster. Finally, if you want a compact but functional option, the next toaster could be just what you need. Product number 5, Cuisinart CPT 122BK2 Slice Toaster. Last but not least, we have the Cuisinart CPT 122BK2 Slice Toaster at just $22. This compact toaster is a perfect fit for smaller kitchens. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, check this one out. With its 7-setting shade dial, this toaster lets you customize the toast just how you like it. Plus, the removable crumb tray simplifies cleanup, which is a must for busy mornings. However, some users found the plastic finish to be less durable than stainless steel options. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and take care of it, it can still serve you well. This is perfect for you if you need something compact and affordable. Skip this if you want a more heavy-duty appliance. For the price, it's hard to beat the features you get. So to wrap up, we've seen some great options today. The stylish Bella Slim toasters, the charming Keystone Retro toaster, the reliable GE stainless steel toaster, and the compact Cuisinart. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what matters most to you. Happy toasting!